Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this delicious slow cooker chicken recipe with creamy garlic Parmesan sauce. This is a comforting slow cooker chicken recipe to make for this time of the year. It's very easy and so delicious. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, thyme, salt, and black pepper. Mix all the spices together, then season the chicken on both sides. Once the chicken is seasoned, we're going to sear them. So heat up some oil in a hot pan over medium-high heat. Place the chicken into the pan, skin side down, and sear them for 2 or 3 minutes on this side. Then turn them over and sear them for another 2 or 3 minutes on the other side. Once all the chicken thighs are seared, go ahead and transfer them into your slow cooker. Next, in the same pan, we're going to melt some butter. Add some onions to the melted butter, then saute for about a minute. Once the onion is sauteed, add some minced garlic, then cook that for 30 seconds. Next, add some all-purpose flour, mix that in, then add some half and half. We're also adding some Parmesan cheese, then we're going to smush in some chicken bouillon cubes. Toss in some red pepper flakes, then mix everything together. Once the cheese has melted, go ahead and pour the sauce onto the chicken in the slow cooker. Next, place the lid on and let the chicken slow cook for 4 hours on high. When the chicken has finished slow cooking, there's going to be a lot of oil on the surface. You can use a spoon to skim it off. You can store all the oil you collect and use it to cook later because it has so much flavor. The chicken came out with so much flavor. The sauce is nice and thick. It's like a creamy gravy kind of sauce and it goes so well with the chicken. The chicken is best served over some mashed potatoes. It's a very comforting slow cooker meal, especially for this time of the year. The chicken is melt in your mouth, full of the bone tender. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.